goddamn man from his fucking house!
What the fuck does that even stand for?
You guys are fucking soulless pieces of shit!
Is that fucking outfit from Detains?
Oh my god, yeah! Don't make money off of the y'all are fucking clown trainers! You think you're big and mighty? Oh, you think you're fucking cool for this shit? Embarrassment to women!
Like, I'll read the chat to you out loud, and then there's another person, another neighbor of ours who's just driving around my neighborhood, kind of picking an area to just keep an eye on, looking out for any ICE or Customs and Border Patrol vehicles that might be passing through the neighborhood, or any ICE agents or Border Patrol agents that are getting out of their cars. And then I'm on a signal chat with people in my neighborhood here, and we have a voice call on the signal chat, and if any of us see something, we can just unmute ourselves and let people know what we're seeing, you know, where they are, what direction they're heading in. And then there's people all over the neighborhood who are following that signal chat, and if they see a message that ICE is, you know, passing through their block or getting out of their cars on their block or the next block over, they're ready to run out and, you know, videotape, do constitutional observing, blow whistles, let neighbors know that ICE is on the block and it's not safe to come outside.
Dispatch, this is Kellen. I'm also in the car with them. I want you to go in.
Well, I have a little bit of that where I do put...
Who are sexual predators, go for people that are creating violence in our city, and I'm all for that. Like, I appreciate
Getting any closer. Have we gotten this man's name?
No.
Mohammed, I didn't get a lot.
What's your name?
What's your name?
What is your name?
Mohammed.
Mohammed. Last name?
Azimov.
Azimov.
Contact? You got family that we can
Yes,
call?
I'm taking more phone.
Yeah, you can.
You want to keep it?
I'm gonna go to my parents' probably.
Yeah, rather keep it that way you can have at least a point of contact with somebody, all right?
Can you say your name
Y'all
again,
good to
sir?
take? Yeah, I got it.
Those are here.
Okay.
Yeah, but we don't have guns and stuff like that.
I mean, but they've been attacking us, so we'd rather have them. You fucking murderer!
You see any of us with guns out?
Yeah.
Not out?
Go home. We don't want you here.
That's for my protection.
You can change your
Against
mind. You don't have to do
All
that.
that bulletproof vest against
Just in case. Just in case. I'd rather have it and not need it.
Y'all need to quit stalking our neighbors.
Why do you guys have masks and no names on it?
You're a bunch of fucking human traffickers.
Y'all can just stop doing
Is
this.
it there?
We got your back, buddy. I know this is terrifying. We got you. I know this is terrifying. You do not have to talk to them. Talk to them without your lawyer. You have a constitutional right. Get out of his face with that. Come on. Have some fucking decency. Have some decency, bro.
Give him a quick pat down.
gross. You back up.
Thank you.
You guys are full of shit.
Y'all good?
The whole world hates you!
Left their phone. Smashed out both windows.
Sam, get on call.
The woman who was arrested yelled out as she was going to try her name is just keep the bad guys out.
Yeah.
Dude, he's
When we were out, we got an alert that there were two ICE vehicles that were cornering an observer, and it just sprayed pepper spray onto their car, very close to where we were. We were only about 3 minutes away, so we decided to drive to that location to have extra eyes on the scene. We know that like when there's more people around, federal agents are less likely to escalate to violence, or, if there's more people that are filming them, they're less likely to, violate constitutional rights, or at least that's, that's the hope, right?
I just started noticing, like, kind of in the aftermath of COVID, that people just weren't putting front lights.
You get a picture?
Yeah, but we can't really
sorry. I
make
don't
it
understand.
Dang it. Was jarring, and it really hit home that these ICE agents are dangerous. They are prone to violence. They are undertrained, and they're angry. And so while I had known that it was serious before, Renee Good's killing made it that much more serious. And to me, just like it upped the stakes. So it made it feel even more important that we had more eyes on these people. The degree of like there's no professionalism with ICE. We got in the car and I felt like I was in elementary school or junior high being made fun of by bullies. They were like insulting me, just belittling me, trying to make me feel worthless. I'm sure cops are, capable of doing such things too. I know that they are, but this was just a level of like unprofessionalism not like I've ever seen. Maybe we could go into the bus lane and see that license plate.
The truck?
Yeah.
They're going into the drive-thru.
Yeah, just get behind him, sweetie.
We just get the plate. I don't want to go into the...
What we're seeing in Minneapolis is we're seeing communities that are standing up and they're saying, hell no, we won't. We're not going to do that. And so, how much we can take. I mean, we're in an impossible situation right now. We are, even with all of the work that we are putting in, people are being ripped from their homes and their families still. My neighbor has been killed. It's like we can't, this is totally unsustainable. We can't take more of it. And at the same time, like, we're not going to back down. We're going to keep standing up for each other and keep doing what we need to do to protect each other.